Alright, today we're gonna do how to reset your service on a Cat 930M. What we're gonna do is gonna reset the maintenance past due. This will hit you. And then you go put it on service mode. Then you put your code. Get your code from your dealer or your service provider. Then once you put the code, you go enable service, hit OK. Once you do that, go back out, and then you go back to your maintenance, and then OK. And then all your service comes up. You scroll up and down, and then you hit this right here. You reset part of the service that you have completed. As simple as that.